In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Canva to create a logo and a whole brand using AI. I'm currently working on an app that I'm trying to deliver completely with AI tools. And the concept is to help product managers who are building new things to give them inspirational cards to help guide them. But I need a logo, so let's jump in. Here I am on Canva, and they have an amazing feature which allows you to build AI logos for your business. So all I'm going to do to get started is click here, create a logo. This creates a blank square canvas, and in the top left hand side it says describe your ideal design. I've got a prompt that I have in mind, which I'm going to read out very briefly. It's a logo for a mobile application called Delivery Deck. The style is minimalist, clean and geometric. Structure is an icon only. I want the colors to be black and white only. The audience are startups, product managers and tech professionals, and I want to avoid any clip art or detailed illustrations. All I'm going to do is I'm going to press enter, and then what I've found you need to do after that is to click generate design. After a few seconds of thinking, it then creates a few different options here. You can then click on any of these and it will load that on your square canvas. And with that, you've already got a logo within seconds that you could decide to use. Now, in my case, I don't love this, so I'm going to try and tweak my prompt and generate another one. The only tweak that I'm going to make is to the headline at the top. I'm going to now say icon-based logo for mobile application of playing cards. The reason being that the ideas it came up with were very DD focused because it's delivery decks, but I want to open that out to more of the concept. Again, I'll press enter, which has updated some of the results below, but then I'm going to click generate design too. It's come up with a few other ideas here. There's one that looks very blank and open here. This one is particularly playing card based, but quite clean. And this is probably more my natural style, so something that I quite like. And you can go into these and you can then continue to edit it or change elements of this design too. Once you've got a design that you like, what you can also do on here is go to styles and you can select a brand kit of colors and fonts to experiment with. I, for instance, use a color palette for this channel. So if I try this combination of different blues and whites, we can see how that would look very quickly with this design. And you can experiment with different combinations. You can see this one, for instance, looks very different all of a sudden as you try different fonts, different colors. Or what about a bold looking combination of pinks and purples and quite a different font style? It completely changes the logo and the brand itself. It's really effective and super quick. There you go, a brand new logo built with AI in under 3 minutes. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'm sharing lots of AI tools, tips and guidance for product managers that want to up their skills this year. So if that's you, get involved. I think that Canva has done a great job with its AI-driven logo maker. It quickly produces something that's decent quality and can help you get started. It's clearly never going to be as good as getting a real professional quality designer to make you a logo. They're going to build something that's much more bespoke that really emphasizes your brand. But if you've got a brand new idea, maybe you haven't got a big budget to go and do something like that, then this is a great way to get you started. And remember, perfection is the enemy of good. Sometimes just having something in place to get you going is good enough. It will allow you to get feedback on your idea and your concept. And for me, that's where this becomes really helpful. The impression that I've got from a bit of experimenting with Canva's AI is it's using a lot of its icons, its fonts, and making combinations in a creative way. It means that often your logo won't be completely unique. You might put a similar prompt in, you might get some similar icons out of it today. But they're clearly improving their AI over time, and I can only imagine this is going to become more useful as more people spend time using it. As I mentioned at the top, I'm currently working on an app idea that I've got, and I'm trying to use only AI tools to help me drive it forward. I'm using this as a way of helping me get there. And so now I've got a logo, I've got a brand, and in some of my previous videos, I've covered how I've generated the concept in the first place. So this puts me in a great place in one of my next videos to start using some AI code generators to build the app itself. If that sounds of interest to you, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next one.